Hey everyone, want to install Google Analytics on your website? In this video, I'll show you how to install Google Analytics and start tracking your website visitors step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Analytics website. Sign in to your Google account and open the property you want to use. Next, create a property and a web data stream if you haven't already. Once it's ready, copy your asterisk measurement ID from the data stream settings. Now choose how you want to install Google Analytics. You can install it manually by adding the Google tag to your website.
You have a
Use
large
your
face.
website platform's built-in analytics integration if one is available. If you're installing it manually, copy the Google tag provided by Google Analytics and paste it into the section of every page on your website. If you're using a content management system or website builder, open its analytics or integration settings and enter your measurement ID where required. After completing the installation, save your changes and publish your website if necessary. Next, return to Google Analytics and open the real-time report to confirm that your website is sending visitor data successfully. Visit your own website in a new browser tab and check whether your activity appears in the real-time report. Finally, allow Google Analytics some time to collect more data, then begin exploring the reports section to understand your website traffic and user behavior. And that's how to install Google Analytics. Once it's connected correctly, you'll be able to track visitors, monitor performance, and make smarter decisions using real website data. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.